Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Hobby Lobby haul. It is items that I got on clearance, and finally they started putting the beads. Well, not the beads, but like the jewelry making items and charms on clearance. So gonna start with the jewelry shop. I can't believe this was $17.99. That's crazy, but it was on clearance. And like it's kind of weird because every time I would look at this, I'd be like, oh, those are ugly colors, right? But this one's actually silver, this one's gold, this one's black, and this one's white. So it's like, if you're just looking at the colors, the ugly as hell. But in reality, those aren't the colors of the resin. So it's only $4.49. I got these little flat back jammies, 49 cents. This is kind of weird. I would never have bought it, but I was curious because it's only $2.99 and it says it's soft type resin. So like, if anybody has used soft resin, let me know. Like, if you have a video or something, or someone has a video on it that I can look at. I mean, I imagine this would probably be good for like the little shaker ones. I don't know, but I was gonna try it. I was so excited when I saw these go on clearance because these are so expensive. So the Disney ones are usually $7.99 and they don't go on sale. And it was marked down to $174. So cute. I'm gonna make myself a little charm bracelet. Because Mermaid, the Little Mermaid and Cinderella was my favorite when I was younger. And these are the little guys from Cinderella. Too bad I didn't see the Cinderella one. But I got this one here. I wish I could have got both of them, but I was able to get this one. It was $2.24. What else did I get? These charms were $1.24. Super cute. I got, oh no, it got stuck. I don't want to break it. But man, this guy is so curious to me. Like, his little face. It looks so funny to me. It was only $1.74. I got these charms for $1.49. I thought that was a pretty good price. So pretty. Then I got these German style wire. These are really expensive. Like, I never buy them because of the price. They were only $1.37. They're silver plated. And ooh, they're square wire. I didn't even realize that. I've been wanting to buy square wire for a while. This is gonna go perfect with what I want to do with wire wrapping. So I got that one. I actually got 2 of those because that's all they had left. Hopefully, maybe I can go to another Hobby Lobby and they'll have more. Then I found, I only got one of these because I don't really do these too much. They're memory wire for like necklaces. And it was only 99 cents. So I got that one. I got this German style wire. It's round and it's 24 gauge. For 99 cents, yo, like, the price is amazing, guys. I got these cute little hearts for 99 cents. I got this 24 gauge artistic wire. And it's silver plated. And then I got the 22 gauge artistic wire, also silver plated. Like $5.99, y'all. That's a, you know, that adds up when you start buying that. And then I got this. So I wish I could have. My camera's broken on my phone, so I can't do any videos in store. But these are actually in the paint section. And if you buy these like in the jewelry section or in the craft section, it's more than $1.99. So I think they're changing the price on these because I saw some that were $2.99. There was only 2 left that were $1.99, but still $2.99 is still cheap for gold foil flakes. So I thought I'd let you guys know because, like, for your projects, for clay, for whatever it is that you want to do, use these flakes for, just go to the paint section and it's cheaper. So I got that, and then I got, this was also in the paint section. So this is mica powder, right? And I know they be using this for resin and for polymer clay, and it was only $3.99. Like, I was shocked because I saw the mica powder in other sections. Let me know if I'm wrong, but as in this is the right one they use for like resin and polymer clay and all that, because I am shocked that it was $3.99 for gold, silver, and this is like bronze or like rose gold. And like they be like $20, $15, $12 in other sections in the store. So like if you're looking for these, go to the paint section, curate and color. And I got one more thing to show you guys. So the last thing I got was this right here. It's a drawer organizer. It was $20 down to $4.99. I thought this was perfect. I haven't, it's crazy how you think about things and then you end up getting exactly what you were looking for, you know? Because I was like, damn, I need this for some organization, and I only found one. But that's okay, because I'm going to use these in my drawers to organize some stuff. So yeah, I got that. And that is it for my haul. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.